Sup guys, welcome back to another new videos. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a hidden piston door in Minecraft. So first of all, what you're gonna do is break two blocks like these, and then you're gonna break it more and make it a bit long and make a small room at the back like this. So you can store your things and everything. So let's get back to the start. So this was our entrance. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna break these blocks, one two, and again one two and one two. And for downwards we're gonna break one and one, this one, and similarly this one. And we're also gonna break this one. And I might have just broken this one uselessly, so I'm just gonna put it back. Yeah, like that. So what we're gonna do is put a redstone torch on this side like this, and we're just gonna connect it to red dust. Furthermore, we're just gonna add our sticky pistons on it like this. And what we're gonna do on the outside is put a button against this one, this block like this, and we're just gonna add a pressure plate on this side. And in the end we're just gonna attach the dirt to the sticky piston like this. And to cover all of this up, we're just gonna add some tall grass on the outside. Now nobody can find your base, and you can just easily enter. You're just gonna come here, press the button, and similarly. That was pretty much for this tutorial, guys. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.